Hello, welcome to my video. So in this video today, we're going to look at the database in conditional formatting Microsoft Excel. So in the previous video, we've been able to look at highlight rules, top, bottom rules, and the new rules. So today we are looking something kind of visualization, which is known as database. So there is another video also that works the same as database, known as sparklines in Microsoft Excel. So kindly subscribe to our video, our YouTube channel, so that you can be able to get updates as we upload new videos. So let me start by introducing some concepts here. So this data set is about the student's performance, and you want to have in-cell visualization of the results. So how do you go about this? So you can only successfully go about this by highlighting your data well. The cells that contain your data, you go to conditional formatting, then you go to database. So here you'll find a gradient fill, or you go to the solid fill, or you can go to more rules. But for this case, let's first of all look at some things here. So you can click here and you can see now you've developed the in-cell visualization. So anytime you change values within this cell, you can customize them and you'll be able to see your values changing, your visualization changing. Let me say I change 14 to 50, so it will automatically change from 14 to 50. Yeah, so that's how the database work. So they are real time. Every time you change the results, it will be able to update automatically. So let me also give you another example. So first of all, let's clear this rule by going to conditional formatting. Then you go to clear rules from the selected cells. So let's say again we go the way we went first time is conditional formatting, go to database. Then let's say this time around we can go to more rules. Yeah, so here you'll be able to see this in the first previous section. Let me just go back there. Let me output the results that we had at the first time, and I want us to note something here interesting. So let me go to this one. So you see the size of the bars is based on the highest value. So the highest value will be visualized full cell, while the lowest value, the automatically default value is 0. So the lowest value will be the highest, will be having the smallest bar, while the highest value will be having a complete bar, full cell formatted. So you can change the settings by highlighting your data like this. Then you go to conditional formatting. Then you go to more rules under database. Just go to more rules. Then here you'll be able to see everything. So the cells have been formatted based on their values. So you can come here and change from the automatic minimum value to the lowest value maybe, but the automatic minimum value here, when it's automatic, the default value is 0. So the maximum automatic here, when it's automatic, it's based on the highest value. So you can still come here, customize this. Maybe this is student marks. We know it ranges from 0 to 100. So the highest value you can put to be 100. So that the entire bars are, the length of the bars are based on 100 and not the highest value that we have. And then you can also customize this one to either the lowest value or to 0. So for this case, max starts from 0. So it's better when we view them based on on 0 mark, which is the default. Yeah, you can also change the colors. You can change the colors, the preview colors here. You can change the colors for the solid. You can change the colors to something else just here. Then you can be able to preview it. Yeah, so maybe like this. Then you can click OK to apply the rules. So when you click OK here, you see everything has changed. But now this time around, the 98 is not complete. it's based on 100, the way you have formatted Microsoft Excel. So let me just go back to conditional formatting and be able to clear rules. And then again, go to the database. And this time around, I'm going to database and let me choose something else like that. And then I go to conditional formatting. And then this time round, under conditional formatting, let me go to manage rules, or you can go to more rules, just the same as managing rules. Then you click edit. When you click edit, you'll go back to where we were last time. So here you can format cells based on other criteria that we looked in the previous videos about the new rules, where you can be able to format your data based on meeting some particular rules. So that is it for today about the database. So it is easier and the best way to visualize your data, where it automatically updates when you change your values. So that's how the database work in Microsoft Excel. So whenever you change the values, it will automatically update. So if it is sales, you can be able to play around with it. If it is anything you have in the data and you want to visualize it, you can actually be able to visualize it. So this works the same as the sparklines. So you can also follow our video about sparklines in Microsoft Excel. Then you'll be able to understand how this works as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube, for that you can also be able to get more from our end. Thank you so much.